back to our new Police vs. Bikers episode. In this episode you will see some of the angry and some cool cops. We hope that you will like it. So, sit back and enjoy. Let's start.
Anyway, so what I was saying, and I think I'm gonna get stopped right now, is, I mean, unless I said hi already, and he's pretty cool with it. But anyway, so what's going on is, I think I'm getting stopped right now. Oh. Uh-oh.
Hey, pull into the next drive, that way we're out of traffic.
Yes, sir. Alright guys, looks like we're getting stopped for some reason.
And we also got to Henderson Police, stopping you for doing 16 and 35.
Oh, was I?
You were. So I need driver's license and insurance for the bike.
Yes, sir. Can I go ahead and step off?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, just making sure. No, sir. Oh, I do have a BB gun right here. Is that okay?
Yeah, why do you
Yeah.
get BB?
I don't know, it's just in case. I mean, I don't like carrying real firearms.
Well, that's the same thing. I mean, as far as if you're going to display that to try to convince somebody that's causing harm to you or whatever, that's real, and they pull out a real one, then what?
Yeah, then I'm kind of screwed at that point. I'm sorry.
Just need driver's license.
Okay. Should be in here.
And you now.
I was planning to go on a motorcycle ride, actually. Going to go down to Red Rock.
Ride safely, alright? Do the speed limit, have fun, but be safe, alright?
No way. Thank you so much. Guys, this is such a cool officer. Oh my gosh.
You're in that BB gun.
Yes, sir. Yeah, thank you so much. You seen that? What is going on?
He'd have given you a friggin' ticket.
I know.
One of the boys, you know what I mean?
That's awesome. Like, I've never seen a cool cop like that before. So I'm like, honestly, I wanted to get his name because there's not a lot of cool guys like that anymore. And
That's great. I'm glad it worked out for you.
wow. I didn't even see you over here.
Oh no, I'm waiting for my wife and I'm making phone calls. So
And you see the cop?
pull up, I'm like, holy shit, this guy.
Sheesh, I'm screwed. Hey, well, thank you so much, man. I'm glad someone got to see that. It made my day.
How you doing, man? We're just trying not to do it in the street, you know? Yeah, absolutely. It's not inspected. We just usually put it in the trucks and bring it here and mess around for a bit and... Yeah. I know. We usually just bring it here in the truck, and I've been coming here maybe like 3 weeks now, and I haven't had any issues. I'm not trying to cause any issues, you know. We always clean up after ourselves and stuff. I think that's the trucks and the cars and shit. I'm sure that was a little fast. Usually I go slow through, try to go real slow on the one wheel, you know, but it's just hard to find a place that, you know.
Beach, anywhere but all around residential stuff.
Yeah, no, and it's just hard to find a parking lot, you know, that's...
Yeah,
I don't want to do it, and I'm not going to run, you know what I mean? Like, I just want to...
I honestly just heard you guys ripping, like I heard the sound. I was over in the street over here. I'm like, alright, they're probably here.
Yeah, we've been coming here, and the fire guys, they watched the other day, and all these people seem to not mind. I mean, we always clean up after ourselves, you know, it's just...
Yeah, still not great.
No, I know, man, I know. I'm not trying to justify it, you know.
Eventually gonna get to complain about it, so I'm going to come over here and just talk to you guys.
Is it alright if we ride a little and keep it more mellow and...
Yeah.
Until you get the...
They're allowed to ride them.
No, you know, it's just... Like I said, it's crazy to find a parking lot. It's hard to actually find one, you know.
pretty abandoned.
Yeah, and those guys, they were watching the other day, and if someone tells me, hey, look, man, we don't want you here, I'm gone. I'll never come back, you know?
I honestly, when I heard the sound, I thought it was like, I thought it was cars.
Oh, yeah. Nah, so there's always kids in their cars here, but for the most part, they're pretty mellow until some nights, you know, they get a little rowdy, but even the other day, one of them flew past, and I told him, I was like, yo, don't fly through here, because this is where I like to come and where I don't want to get in trouble, you know?
Yeah, you have space in your street.
Yeah, man.
Alright, if you're on the street, make sure you put the thing down.
Absolutely, yeah. Hey, man, thank you a lot. Have a good one.
Hey, I got you.
How's it going?
How's it going?
Good. Reason I stopped you is clocked you at 82.
I had a GoPro running. It showed 60, but
I showed 82. It showed 82 both times.
yeah, I probably need to check my speed. I got a valid gunpowder in my
Okay. All right. You got your gun with you?
Yeah, it's in my bag.
Okay, just keep it in there. All right, I'll be right back.
Right.
Man, I'm gonna do you a solid tonight. I'm not gonna write you a ticket.
I
I'm gonna give
appreciate
you
it.
benefit of the doubt of that tire,
I appreciate it.
and you stopped. That's a big thing.
I appreciate
I
it.
usually don't have crotch rocket stop,
Yeah.
so I usually don't even go after them. But
Pretty good. How about yourself? It's being stopped for the illegal turn signals. You can't integrate them. You gotta be 9 inches more apart.
Oh, really?
Your tail lamp's blacked out, yeah. So
I didn't even know that. I just bought the whole kit because I might ended up crashing the bike.
Yeah, you need a license plate light, need a red reflector.
Well, I didn't even know that.
Yeah.
Bummer.
This has got more of it than yours does.
All right.
Yeah, your front
I'll get
turn
off the
signals
bike.
are
It's in my
illegal.
pocket. Wow, I didn't even know that.
Yep. 9 inches apart. They can't be integrated to one.
No, because they were little stick-on pieces.
Yeah, you're good to go. Yep. Yeah, you can meet down at the Dutch Bros or something.
Here's that and
Is the bike in your name?
yeah, I bought the bike probably, I want to say, maybe 8 months ago now.
So it's in your name?
Yeah, it was from Oregon. I'm gonna take my helmet off, it's so hot.
Yeah, I
That's
know.
okay. Thank you.
Yeah, nice warm day.
I just don't have my registration.
Yeah, I'll let you go with a warning today, but yeah, fix those.
Okay.
A lot of things. Got to get the tail lamps. To be honest with you, there's no such thing as an approved turn signal other than stock.
All right, I'm gonna turn it on real too. So it has to no matter what, it has to be out here.
Yeah, turn signals they have to be
Alright.
DOT approved.
Okay.
The only ones that are approved on
I
a
thought it
motorcycle
looked
is
cool.
stock.
Okay,
Well, they all do.
alright.
Every time they, I used to ride them,
I
so
thought
I
it
know.
looked so cool.
Yeah, used to ride them, and I know every one that you put on there aftermarket. None of them are DOT approved except for stock.
Bummer.
Then you're required. You have to have a red reflector down there on the license plate light. It's not supposed to be bent. It's supposed to be out and above the rear tire. They come stock.
They're so sharp.
I know. Yeah. I know. That's what I'm like. The front one looks like he's got a little bit more to it, and I'm like, that poor green one there. He's got all kinds.
I was hoping the lights, the blinkers made up for it.
Yeah. It's easier to give you guys, tell you guys what's wrong first. You don't fix it, and somebody stops you later. I see you know, like you're down the road.
I appreciate
it's like,
it,
hey,
man.
didn't we have a talk a lot about this months ago?
Thank you, buddy. I appreciate you. You too, man.
I just figured I could barely even see your turn signal in there blinking when you were turning.
Yep, it was a whole combo, so I'll just take that and kind of put that little piece spacer on the sides.
Something to give yourself a little bit more of a chance you don't get hit by these older people.
Yeah, no, that too, absolutely.
Yeah. Hey, have a good ride.
Thank you, buddy.
How you doing today, man?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic. I was trying to ask you a question. I like your tattoos, by the way.
Thank you.
So can I take the pressure off of your day? Because I know you've been having a you know, serious day with all the work that you've been doing.
Okay.
I was trying to see if we could play a little game.
Okay.
We could either do truth or dare. Sound good? Maybe? No?
Sure.
Or I have a jump rope. We can have a jump rope battle.
Oh my goodness.
So can we play truth or dare, please?
Sure.
Okay. You can go first. Ladies first.
Truth or dare?
Dare. I'm a dare guy.
Dare?
Yeah, I gotta say dare, right?
I don't know. I'm so bad at this game. I don't know.
You're bad at the game?
Yeah.
Come on, you can think of anything.
I dare you to do a push-up.
Okay.
Which one?
I'm a little weakling.
Yay!
Hey! You know? So it's my turn. Truth or dare?
Truth.
Truth. Is it true that you like my bike?
No.
You don't like it?
I have a Harley.
Oh, she's a Harley rider. Do you wear a helmet?
Do I have a helmet?
Do you wear one?
Yeah.
You wear a helmet?
Yeah, it's not
All
snowy,
right.
but...
You know what they call people who don't wear helmets?
What?
They call them certified bug eaters.
Always wear a helmet.
Yes, ma'am.
I wish I had a showy though. I can't afford a showy.
Ah, yeah, this was a expensive little. But yeah, so how's your day going today?
It's okay so far.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I like to hear.
How's your day?
My day is fantastic, you know?
You being safe? You got your gloves? You
Yes,
got your
ma'am.
leg protection and everything?
Yes, ma'am. That's all I can, you know?
Good.
Yes, ma'am. What's your name?
Candace.
Candace? Nice to meet you. I have a cousin named Candace.
I never hear that name.
Really?
Yeah, I never get to hear that.
Wow, yeah, I have a cousin named Candace. But that's a very beautiful name.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that.
For a very beautiful person.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Nice to meet you, Miss
Nice
Candace.
to meet you
And
as
you have a
well.
nice day.
Be safe.
Thank you too.
We came to the end of this episode. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe if you haven't yet. We read your comments, so make sure to comment down below if you want us to do more of these videos. New merch is added on our store, so feel free to check it out. See you in the next episode. Till then, ride safe.